Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss on operators precedence and user input. If certain expression contains multiple operators, say addition, subtraction, etc. So, how are we going to know which operator needs to be considered or solved first? So here the precedence of operators comes into picture. If you see here, parenthesis evaluated first means the expression within parenthesis is evaluated in the first place, then comes exponentiation followed by others. Take some time and go through this content. So now let's launch Jupyter Notebook and go to new file and type the code. Before we start with the example related to operators precedence, if you remember in the last class, we had a discussion on types of operators like and, or, is not, etc. They must be written in lowercase because Python is case sensitive. Upper and lowercase characters are distinguished during execution. Let's start with the example. I am taking two variables a and b, storing the values 10 and 5 respectively. In line 3, we are performing logical AND operation. Pay attention to line 3. Logical AND operator is in small letter. Now let us save the program. The file automatically takes the extension. Now let us run the program and we are getting true as the output because a is 10. 10 is greater than 5 and 5 is less than 10. Hence logical AND condition is satisfied and returned the value true. Logical AND returns true when both the condition is true. Now let us type AND capital letters and you can notice the error. So now let us come to operators precedence example. We'll take a variable called result and store the expression 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4 divided by 2 exponentiated 2. I have to print the result. Next, before I run this program and show you all the output, we'll do manual calculation and check the output. Step 1. First parenthesis, then comes exponentiation, then comes multiplication, division, and next comes addition, subtraction, etc. Therefore, now in this expression, first line, exponentiation should be evaluated first. 2 to the power 2 is 4. Second, multiplication, 3 into 4, which is 12. Third step, division. So, 12 divided by 4 will give us 3.0. Why 0.0? Because division will return us floating value. Floor division, that is 2 forward slash, will return us integer value. Therefore I have given 3.0. Next last step is addition. 2 plus this answer 3.0 is equal to 5.0. This should be our output. Let us cross check. Before that, let me comment out this. Next, let us check the output. I'm getting 5.0, which is correct. Now let me make some small change, giving parenthesis here. This manual calculation is without parenthesis. Next, we have another manual calculation with parenthesis. Now, with parenthesis, the expression within parenthesis will be evaluated first. Therefore, 2 plus 3, which is 5. Second step, exponentiation. Third step, multiplication. 5 into 4, which is 20. Fourth step is division. 20 divided by 4 would give me 5.0. Let us cross check if it is correct. 5.0 is my answer. Done. Next we'll see example 2. Let me take result as a variable and the expression would be 5 multiplied by 3 greater than 2 exponentiated 3, or within parenthesis 7 modulus 4 equal to 2 and not of 6 floor divided by 2 less than or equal to 2. I have to print the result. Let us first manually calculate step 1. The expression within parenthesis is evaluated first. Therefore, the expression within parenthesis also have so many operators. Again, here the precedence comes into picture. First floor division, then modulus. Therefore, 6 floor divided by 2 is equal to 3. Correct? Point 0 won't come. This is floor division. Second step would be after floor division, next highest priority is given to modulus. So 7 modulus 4, which is modulus operator will return remainder. So 7 divided by 4, remainder is 3. Next. 3 equal to 2. Is 3 equal to 2? False. Next. After equal to, we have less than or equal to be evaluated. Or 6 floor divided by 2 was 3. So 3 less than or equal to 2. This is again false. Next step. After this, we have not. Not the next priority. So not of false. What is not of false? True. That is, we know if 0 is the input, we get 1 as the output. It negates, right? So if 1 is the input, 0 will be the output. Therefore, if false is the input, true should be your output. If true was your input, false should be the output. That is what not operation does. Now, finally, AND operation should be performed. AND with what? Sixth step is AND. We got your false, correct? So false and true will give us false because 0 ANDed with 1 is 0. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 0, 0. But 1 into 1 is 1. Done. AND operation is similar to multiplication. OR operation is similar to addition. Next. We completed RHS part. LHS, first step. Again, exponentiation will have highest priority. So 2 to the power 3 is 8. 2 cube 8. Second step is multiplication, correct? So 5 into 3, 15. Third step is after multiplication, greater than symbol. Therefore, 15 greater than 8. 15 greater than 8 is true. Next. Fourth step. After greater than, we have true, logical OR with false. It will give us 0 plus 1 or 1 plus 0 is 1. So true. This should be our output. Let us verify. We got true as the output. That means we are correct. Next. Till now, we have discussed few problems and verified the results. You can solve the given expression by yourself and check the output in Jupyter Notebook. User input. In Python, we have two inbuilt functions, input function and raw input function, to read the input from the keyboard. This makes the application interactive. Note, raw input function was used in Python version 2, but now in Python version 3, raw input function is not supported. Input function is supported. Let us take an example for user input. In line 1, we have input function which receives input from the user, and then that result is stored in variable city. We are printing the value entered by the user. Once you click on run, user has entered Bengaluru and the result is getting printed. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe this channel.